Good morning and welcome to Emiliana Imballaggi. In this brief presentation, I will explain the construction features of our E6 crates. E6 is made of plywood and can hold any type of product. It is suitable for maritime, air, and land transport. It consists of 6 individual walls that can be assembled in the desired order. This allows for the crate to be assembled in multiple ways, even around its contents, providing convenience for bulky products or for setups in tight spaces. E6 is robust and has a high resistance to various load stresses during transport, thanks to the thickness of the walls and the quality of all components. The profiles are equipped with notches for hooks applied to the sides, simplifying the assembly and securing processes. Quick assembly in the desired order, absence of nails and staples, high stacking resistance, compliance with the phytosanitary regulations ISPM 15 FAO, customizable with logos, graphics, handles, hooks, and dividers. E6 is all this. If it is the right packaging for your transport, or if you would like to understand how to create added value through our company, request a quote or download our presentation now.